Hi there, my name is Carson Lindgren, and I'm going to show my Lab 2 video of my breadboard. This is the state machine phase where we did all the code in the Arduino IDE. I used 10,000 ohm resistors for the pull down resistor push button switch setup, and we're connected to the 5-volt pin. I have my analog pins reading in whether or not the input is being perceived by the robot, and the LEDs represent the action. And so basically with the 3 stages, the planning, the perception, planning, and action. The perception is whether or not a button is being pushed. The planning is the code that I uploaded to the brain or to the Arduino, and then the action is if it decides based on the perception to turn on the LED or not. And so the middle button represents the collision detection. So if there's something in front of the robot, it won't drive forward. And so if there's something in front of the robot, it will turn on it turns on the light, which will make the robot not move forward. The second and fourth buttons represent the left and the right motor on the wheels, which move the robot forward. And so if I push the left motor, it moves the robot, the left motor, and then the right motor. And then if I push both of them, it goes straight. And then if there's a collision detection and I try to push both of the, and I try and push both, either of the buttons, it doesn't work. And then lastly, I have the first and fifth buttons, which represent the up servo, the servo to move it up, and the servo to move it down if it is perceiving. Oh yeah, also the second and fourth ones is if it perceives light from the left and light from the right. The first and the last ones are if it perceives light that's on the upside or downside of the photoreceptor diodes. And so if I push this one, it represents that it's perceiving light from up, and it moves the servo up toward the light. This one is down. And then if it perceives no light, then it does nothing. Then it doesn't move the servo, which is obviously what's happening. And then if it perceives light from up and down, it also doesn't move the servo. And so you see it flash there for a sec, but when I push both, it doesn't work. And then also, if there is a collision detection, it should still be able to move the servo up or down. So that's my video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.